If you're a cyclist, then there's no doubt you know the importance of having the right gear. Not only does it make your ride more comfortable and enjoyable, but it can also help to keep you safe. In this video, we'll discuss some of the best cycling gadgets on the market today. Whether you're looking for a new helmet or bike rack, we have you covered. Yeelock is the first on today's list. Crowdfunded on Kickstarter, it's a bike lock that uses fingerprint recognition technology instead of keys or combinations. It's a great choice for cyclists who are always on the go, as it's quick and easy to use. You can apply it directly to your disc brake and it fits inside your pocket. It's also waterproof, and if it runs out of battery, you still have the option of using a key. Here's another crowdfunded project on Kickstarter. When it comes to style and performance, Musguard has you covered. Musguard OMNI is a set of fully detachable front and rear rollable fenders. It can be used when needed without taking up any extra space or adding mounts on your bike that might mess with the aesthetics. It's a durable and efficient solution, and it's also available in many different colors for a perfect match. Next, we have KAV Portola Helmet made by KAV. It is one of the lightest helmets on the market at 0.7 pounds. It's completely 3D printed to be the best fit for your head, and it also introduces an innovative ventilation system that protects you from elements like wind, dust, and rain. It features an in-mold polycarbonate shell with EPS impact absorption, easy adjustable straps, and is both CPSC and CE certified. It's not only a safe choice for the helmet, but it's also a sustainable one, being made without wasting any materials and with zero emissions. Hövding 3 is another fantastic and unique gadget, a bike helmet that has been dubbed the world's safest head protection. It works exactly like an airbag, but it's worn as a collar around your neck, and in the event of an accident, it automatically inflates around your head in 0.1 seconds for complete protection. Hövding has the same level of safety as helmets, but it is less bulky and you can wear it all the time. The next generation in Swedish safety technology has arrived, and it's here to save you. The next pick is a product that has surely caught your eye, becoming quickly one of our favorite gadgets. The ebike kit is made by Lightest. It's a compact and lightweight kit that can be easily fitted onto your current bike, and it works as an electric generator, providing you with power on demand. You can use this kit on long rides to make them more enjoyable and effortless, even up the steepest hills. Dashbike is another great choice if you're looking for safety while driving your bike. It detects incoming cars, warning you when they might be a little too close. It also includes a bright rear light and smart features such as built-in GPS tracks, a crash detector, a recording camera, and multi-directional routes, just to name a few. Furthermore, you can track your data and monitor your performance. The best part? All these features are available at no extra cost. Would you love to have a bike rack on your everyday adventure? Well, our last gadget of the day, Jack the Bike Rack, is made for you. This is a modern and innovative bike rack that doesn't require any tools to fit. It's made to easily attach to your handlebar, and it can accommodate different bikes with various shapes and sizes. What's more, it also stabilizes your gear for a smooth ride. All the products mentioned above are some of the best gadgets on the market today, all designed with cyclists in mind. Whether you're a casual rider or an experienced professional, we're sure you'll go check out at least one of these after this video. Thank you for watching, and we hope you'll ride with us in our next videos.